Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create auction listings on eBay. So firstly, of course, you need to open eBay application on your device and then enter the section called Selling at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then press the button List an Item. So you need to start creating a new listing. Let's suppose that I want to sell some shoes, for example, those ones. Then select the condition of your shoes, of your item. Basically, it's just in my example, it's just shoes. So it can be new with box, new without a box, new with defects, and pre-owned. Then click Continue button. And here in the listing summary, you need to fulfill your listing. So it should include photos, your title, category, condition, item specifics, description, pricing, preferences, and that's it. So to create auction listing, you need to scroll until you see pricing section, and you need to enter the editing mode by clicking this pen icon, and here you see the function auction. So you need to enable it by moving the slider to the right like this, and then you want to set a starting price for your auction. So this is a starting price with how much the bidding should start. eBay can suggest you some price. So in my case it's $14, but I can change it by simply tapping on it and enter my value, for example. Also, you need to set the duration of your action. This one, so it can be 3, 5, 7, or 10 days. And this is an optional thing that you can allow your buyers to skip the auction and buy your item immediately. So here you see Buy It Now function. Buyers can purchase immediately at this price. So for those buyers who want to purchase immediately, they will not participate in this auction thing. And if you want to do that, you need to make sure that this option is enabled, and if not, you need to turn it off by moving the slider to the left, and vice versa. You can enable it by moving the slider to the right, and then after those changes in the very end, you need to submit it by clicking this Done button, and then continue fulfilling all this information about your item, and in the very end, you need to tap List Your Item button. So that's how you can create a auction listing on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.